Look, Butabi, all I'm gonna say is Forex traders, when I've exposed them, they've tried sending their followers to me. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I'm just here to expose the truth and move on. If I can teach you something about social media, if I make a video and you stay quiet, I won't have anything further to talk about. But if I make a video and you feel like you now want to come in, I'm gonna make another video. For as long as you shoot back, I'm gonna shoot back. But keep in mind, when you shoot back at me, I get attention. When I shoot back at you, you lose credibility. Remember that. It seems like I must explain social media to these guys. It literally seems like it. But it's alright, okay guys. Let me spot. I appreciate all of you guys for sticking it and supporting. Head on over to my YouTube, Fraud Files. What if they run up on you? Oh, it's gonna be a hard run. It's gonna be a hard run. That's all I can say. Let me say it like this, big RL. Jason Noah put up 10,000 Rand for anyone who can give me a clap and get it on camera at FMA S24. Did you see a video come up of anyone clapping me for that 10k? Don't think I'm suffering from short man syndrome because you are seeing me sitting the whole time. Don't think that. Even at FMA's 24, I went to Santon alone with no one with me. And when some of these people that said they were gonna moor me, Jason Noah, Nas 100 Zykes, Nasdaq Ninja, when they saw me, they came to shake hands. Look, I am a human like everyone else, my bro. But what a lowly person you must be to try and attack a YouTuber. You must a lowly person, man. You must a lowly person. I am a pure eye. I see the man says how you're looking to rage bait me into talking about my lips. Do you know I was wiping like my mouth come early already? Anyway, let me spot. I'll see you guys in my next live.